Hello everyone. Today we learn about characteristic of Zener diode. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Zener diode is a special diode and it is widely used in voltage regulation to maintain a constant voltage across variety used in voltage regulation. If we want a constant voltage across a vary, not use V Zener diode for this purpose. Let's say RL is the varying load resistance of load is the meaning load. I will connect Zener diode like this, the symbol of Zener diode. And if this Zener diode is reverse biased, it is inner diode is reverse biased, then we can replace the Zener diode. We can replace the Zener diode by a constant voltage source, and the voltage is equal to Vz, and this voltage is given in the specification sheet of Zener diode. We have different voltage for different Zener diode. This is the varying load RL, and we can have the varying current with constant voltage. So the Zener diode is used for voltage regulation before moving to the equivalent circuit of Zener diode. I will explain two type of breakdown. The first one is avalanche breakdown. The second one is Zener break. Apply a high reverse bias across the diode. The electrons gain high kinetic energy and break the covalent bond, and they free more electron due to the collision, and we have chain reaction. But and large current is produced. The avalanche breakdown occurs in lightly doped diode. Lightly doped diodes are in the normal diodes. Normal diodes, Zener diodes, are highly doped diodes, and in case of lightly doped diodes, when you apply high reverse bias potential, the electrons will gain the kinetic energy and they will break the covalent bond and collide with other electrons. This process will free more electrons and have a chain reaction, and because of this large current is produced. In case of Zener breakdown, Zener breakdown voltage uh, breakdown voltage is achieved is much earlier in case of Zener diode, and this is because we increase in doping level on both the side of N side and P side. We increase the doping level and we have the breakdown earlier is compared to the normal diode. In case of Zener breakdown is initiated by directed rupture of covalent bond by direct rupture of covalent bonds. By direct capture of covalent bond, I mean tearing of covalent bond. This means tearing of covalent bonds, and they happen due to strong electric field at the junction developed by high reverse bias potential. So there is a difference between avalanche breakdown and Zener breakdown. In case of avalanche breakdown, electrons gain the high kinetic energy and they break the covalent bond to the other hand. In case of breakdown, there is direct rupture covalent bond because of high electric field. I hope avalanche and the Zener breakdown are now clear to you. Now we will move to next point, the power dissipations capability Zener diode are special diode whose power dissipations capabilities are much more than the normal diodes, and because of this they can easily work in breakdown region. So Zener diode have high power dissipations capability as compared to the normal diode. When we use normal diode in reverse bias condition, their properties will degrade on, but other hand, if we use the Zener diode in reverse bias condition, will not degrade. Zener diode in forward bias region is similar to the normal diode in forward bias region. So is important point is most of the relate Zener diode to the non reverse bias condition only, but Zener diode can easily be used in forward bias region also there is no difference between the Zener diode. Normal diode, in case of forward bias region, we can also use in diode in forward bias. It will have similar characteristic as normal diode. This is one important point. The most important use of Zener diode is voltage regulation, and the Zener diode act as voltage regulation when we operate in reverse bias region, but we can easily operate Zener diode as normal diode in forward bias region. Now we will move to the next point, that is symbol of Zener diode. This symbol of Zener diode, first we have to make the p side and p side and other side of n, other side of the n side. uh, Inside this is the symbol of Zener diode. The Zener diode, it is represented by V subscript Vz. This is the Zener voltage. Now I will try to obtain the equivalent models for obtain the equivalent Zener diode using Vi characteristic. This is forward bias region and the reverse bias region in case of forward bias. I have already explained the Zener diode. It's similar to the normal diodes. This is the symbol of the Zener diode. Zener diode, I will connect p side to positive terminal and n side to the negative terminal. Now this inner diode is forward bias, and I can replace this symbol. I can replace this symbol by the barrier potential 0.7 volt for silicon, and the diode resistance, desired resistance Rz. This is positive negative. If we consider our Z to be very small, we can have the equivalent model like this in case of normal diode. And the obtain the equivalent model, this is a plus, this is a minus, because we have to reverse bias. Diode N side is connected to the positive terminal and P side is connected to negative positive terminal. And current is very small, we replace the diode with high resistance and we can consider it as open circuit. Equivalent model for the reason before the breakdown. Now we will move to the most important part of the lecture. We will try to obtain the equivalent model of the Zener diode. When there is breakdown, this voltage is Vz. K is the voltage after, which is the voltage knee point voltage Vz naught. If we extend the linear region, this will cut the voltage axis at this point. This voltage is Vz naught, and let's take random point on this linear region and the corresponding current. The corresponding current is Iz, the corresponding voltage is Vz, and this current here is Iz K. This is the knee current. Now we have everything to obtain the equivalent model of Zener diode. In this reason, I will first draw the symbol. We have to reverse bias the diode. I will connect the side to the positive terminal and the negative and another side of negative terminal. Then we have the potential V said not plus minus, and then we have the resistance of diode Rz, and this is equal to Vz. Vz is simply equal to Vz naught, Vz plus this voltage, and this voltage is equal to Rz multiplied by, I said, the resistance of Zener diode and the current flowing through the diode. So we have Vz naught plus 1 and said Rz, and if you want to calculate the value of R1, that is equal to 1 by slope of this curve, and we can easily obtain the Zener voltage. If we have this value, if we consider our Z to be very small, so if we consider our Z to be very small, then we have the model like this, plus minus Vz naught, and this is, we said, so this is we said, so Vz is equal to Vz naught if we neglect the diode, and this is equivalent model of the Zener diode, and this is very important. Here you can clearly see the this is Vz naught. Here you can easily see the Zener voltage is equal to Vz naught, and Vz naught is already mentioned in the specification sheet. You need 5 volts or 6 volt of constant voltage across any resistance, then you can easily connect the Zener diode across the resistance, and we apply reverse bias potential across the diode. We have 5 volts or 6 volt across the resistance, because you can see Vz is equal to Vz naught, constant voltage is and we can say then the Zener diode is as a voltage regulator Vz, and power dissipation is mentioned in the data sheet. There are mentioned in the data sheet, and these two values are the most values you must have to consider them before any use. And if we draw the diagram for normal diode and Zener diode, you can see the difference in the depletion layer. This is the depletion layer of normal diode. This is p side and the p side. This is depletion layer n, and other is the n side. In case of Zener diode, this depletion layer is much narrow. Depletion layer, this is the depletion layer is narrow. If you can compare the depletion layer in case normal diode, I will quickly reverse the equivalent model of Zener diode. First thing we have to do, disconnect n side of the diode to positive terminal, and the p side of diode is negative terminal, so that diode is reverse biased. And once the diode is reverse biased, have the equivalent model like this. Voltage is Vz naught R. Rz is the resistance, and if we neglect our Z, then we only have Vz naught has the value of Zener voltage. In this case, Vz is equal to Vz naught plus the current is, I said Rz is the value of Vz. In this symbol also I will represent the current. I said this the correct direction of current is the because reverse bias the current, and in this case we neglect the set Vz is simply equal to Vz naught in numerical problem. We are going to use this model. This model is mostly used. We neglect our Z and Vz naught